Hi everyone, so for today we will be making a sizzling chicken sisig. These are the ingredients. First we have grilled chicken breast, finely chopped, soy sauce, butter, eggs, salt and pepper, cooking oil, mayonnaise, serrano pepper sliced, garlic powder, and yellow onion. Now that we know our ingredients, let us now proceed with the making of the sisig. The first thing we are gonna do is we are gonna grill the chicken since we are not able to buy an already grilled one. So here I am grilling it. Grill, grill, grill. So now it's already grilled and I am now taking it out and we will proceed to the next procedure. The next thing we are going to be doing is we are going to chop the grilled chicken into small pieces, just like what I am doing in the video. We are now into the next part of our cooking. So I already heated the pan and I am now adding the oil. So I added 2 tablespoons. Next, we are adding our yellow onion. After that, we are just gonna stir it for a few minutes. So that will already do, and now we're gonna add on our grilled chicken. And now we're gonna mix it for a few more minutes. So we are gonna add on 1 tablespoon of salt and mix again. We put next some soy sauce and mix again. We put next some mayonnaise and mix again until it looks sticky enough. Now we put some black pepper. Then mix. So that is already done, but I already tasted and I feel like there's something missing, so I added some more soy sauce and I mixed it again. And now it's already done, and let's proceed to the next part. I am getting a sizzling plate since it is a sizzling sisig, so we need to use a sizzling plate. So I am putting some butter and now I am just gonna melt it. And now it's already melted and I am now adding the meat into the sizzling plate. So I added enough of the chicken, so I am now adding the eggs. I put 2 eggs on top of it. And lastly, I added some spices to finish up the sisig. Now this is the finished product. Thank you for watching.